powering AI commerce with new agent payments protocol. And again, this is some big stuff happening here. It says today, Google announced agent payments protocol in open source, okay, and excuse me, an open protocol developed with leading payments and technology companies to securely initiate and transact agent-led payments across platforms. The protocol can be used as an extension of the agent-to-agent protocol and model context protocol. Okay, so this deals with authorization, proving that a user gave an agent the specific authority to make a particular purchase. And you got authenticity, enabling a merchant to be sure that an agent's request accurately reflects the user's true intent. And then accountability, determining accountability in a fraudulent or incorrect transaction occurs. So accountability. So then we're dealing with real-time purchases, okay? An intent mandate, a cart mandate. Then we're going to be delegating task, and then all based on the mandate once you give it precise conditions, okay? So you got smarter shopping, personalized offers, coordinated task, okay? And then this is a list of many of the partners that is a part of this system right here, and more will be added. And on today's video, we're going to be announcing more that just got added. So you got OnePass, Accenture, Adobe, Agent, obviously Algorand is on there, Intuit, Etsy, okay, Shopify, WePay. The list goes on. So that's what's important. And then what's crazy about this, obviously, it's really the stable coins. Okay, let me see if on the Google one it has it, but it's really the agent to agent statement. So you got one AI agent able to pay another. That means the other one can receive payments. And blockchain technology sits at the middle because you can use stable coins, which settle instantly if you're using the proper blockchain that can handle it. So again, I talked to y'all about this. For example, a Hedera, a Algorand, a Stellar Lumens. These blockchains can process 1 million transactions for $85 roughly. If you go look at a Solana, that's $2,500. You go look at a Ethereum, that's thousands of dollars. A Bitcoin, thousands of dollars. These type of Avalanche, these blockchains are very expensive for micropayments, for millions of transactions happening back to back to back. A Algorand, a Hedera, a Stellar is optimized for this with the security. So let's talk about the first one. We got the future of agentic commerce on Algorand just leveled up. So we already knew about the Algorand announcement, but they are developing more features, people and businesses within the community. X402, the universal protocol for real-time payments, now has Algorand integration built with Go Plausible. Okay, and this is Go Plausible. They build basically tools, protocols, verifiable credentials. They building tools that other entrepreneurs can integrate into their business. Okay, seamless, secure, autonomous. Billions of AI agents will need rails. We're building them. So here it is. The agentic commerce on Algorand just leveled up. Okay. And then this next one, I know y'all gonna like this as well. Let's talk about it. X402 on Stellar, that's Stellar Lumens, unlocking payments for the new agent economy. Okay. So we're gonna play this for y'all too. This will be a good, another explainer for y'all who are just joining this stream.
In the year 1997, the HTTP spec reserved status code 402 for a world where websites could charge for access directly. For nearly 30 years, the internet has been waiting for a native payment layer. And with X402, that long-reserved status code is finally coming to life. X402 enables websites and APIs to request payment directly through the HTTP protocol using the 402 payment required status code. Combined with the speed and low fees of the Stellar network, this enables a new emerging machine economy. Let's give Claude some funds to play with and see how this works. I'm opening up the Freighter wallet and using the Coinbase on-ramp widget to purchase a couple of dollars of USDC directly with Apple Pay. Now I've already set up a paid resource using simple, familiar tooling. To get access, it's going to cost you or your AI agent 1 cent. Next, I'll add an MCP server to Claude and provide my wallet credentials so that Claude can access the funds. When the AI agent makes the request, the server responds with 402 payment required, along with some instructions. The agent evaluates these and signs a transaction via the MCP server and resubmits the request. An X402 facilitator verifies the payment on-chain, and the API immediately returns the requested resource. The agent can now continue its task without API keys, subscriptions, or manual payments. It's simple technology and easy to implement, but it points to an important opportunity. A future where AI agents discover, purchase, and use resources using a standard built into the fabric of the web. Learn more about X402 on the Stellar network at stellar.org.
That's it right there. A great and clear breakdown of how X402 integration works in the background with Stellar Lumens. So you're talking about a 1 cent fee to access this. You got 1 cent?
Passive income. Gold in my dental. Thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals. Told my girl it was simple.